All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on where you are around the world. Starting a bit differently, starting on a somewhat mellow tone, trying to figure out where what's the word to use. There seems to be some echo, and I've been trying to get rid of it. So I'm trying different things. Maybe a mellow tone would reduce the echo. As always, starting differently with a disclaimer: content is not investment or trading or personal finance advice. They are not stock picks. Please do your own research. Past performance is no guarantee of future performance. I or members of the team may or may not hold positions in any assets discussed. We may also exit or take a position in said assets, and views are subject to change with or without disclosure on the channel. To the NGX market coverage, 9:45 a.m., about 15 minutes from when you would listen or watch this video. You have the pre-market in PG on Spotify and everywhere. Audio, 12:30 p.m. West African time. The media updates on YouTube, 5 p.m. West African time. The daily market summary on Substack, 7 p.m. West African time. The daily market summary on Spotify and other platforms, 8 p.m. West African time. The daily market summary on YouTube and Twitter. That's the Twitter handle at Green Ticket Till. For more content, there definitely will be more content on podcast on Spotify, Apple Podcasts, YouTube Music. All links are in my bio on YouTube, as well as website greenticketdeals.com. Currently working on an article on Zenith Bank. I think that should be up in an hour or two on the website. So you want to check by midday, it will be up on the website. This is my pre-market video. I do this every day just before the market opens, the Nigerian stock market, the Nigerian equities market, talking about what I'm going to be watching, the stocks I will be watching, as well as my reasons for doing so. The criteria for my watch list is quite simple: price and volume movement, as well as corporate actions. Corporate actions are any announcements made by a firm. ASO savings first on my watch list for today. Robust volumes are traded yesterday, but the bull run has started to lose steam. So I think it's very likely may see this stock fall further today. Lost one kobo to close at 1 naira and 6 kobo. The day low yesterday was 97 kobo. So if you have enough sell pressure, and I won't be surprised if you have sell pressure, because I mean this stock has gained over 60% in 6-7 trading days. It is only normal at this point that you would have people selling off to take profits off the table, cashing in on the profits, as it were. TIP, the Initiates PLC, only waste management firm listed on the NGX. Combined public offer and rights issue will be opening today, so be watching for price action on the stock as well. NASCON, Nestle Nigeria and Sky Aviation, they fell sharply yesterday. All three stocks fell by over 9%. In fact, I think NASCON and Sky Aviation fell by 10%. Nestle fell a bit over 9%. So will there be further losses, or will there be recovery today? Who knows? That's why we're going to be watching. GTCO fell by 4.9%, closed at 85 naira 15 kobo. Will it touch the 80 naira psychological mark? It is hard to say. The market has been on a downturn. It fell sharply yesterday. The all share index fell by 0.72%. So I won't be surprised if we have a further decline today. But if it is as sharp as yesterday, I think you may start to see some stocks in bargain zones. Zenith Bank will fall to the 16 naira psychological level, or will you maintain support above that? Closed yesterday at 61 naira 55 kobo. Anything below 16, and I think you may start to see bargain hunters. And my view on this stock is quite simple. If you look at the cash flow year on year, if you look at the earnings per share, I see no reason why this firm can't easily decide to pay 6 to 7 naira minimum final dividend. If that is the case, combined with the price at 60 or less, then it means that you're going to be having your dividend yield at 10% or more. And I think that's a fair bargain. So the dividend hunters may consider that as well. Nigerian Breweries, will it break below the 17 naira support? On Friday, we we're going to be having a combo episode either Friday or Thursday. I would let you know by evening. There's going to be the Dirty December series I'm doing will continue. So Friday definitely, Saturday definitely would have one. I promise someone in Central community the episode, the Dirty December episode on hotels will be out. But we may have one other episode either um, on the Brewers this week, either Thursday or Friday. I would let you know by then. Learn Africa, trading within my buy zone. For me, the buy zone is sub 6 naira. So closed yesterday at 5 naira 85 kobo. Will it recover or will it fall further today? I'm hoping for a further dip. But if it recovers to 6, I think it's fair. But I will continue to watch. If we have continued sell pressure on the exchange, I won't be surprised to see the stock fall below this level. And why am I watching the stock? It's quite simple. I expressed, like, in fact, maybe I should do an update now that they're publishing H1 numbers are out. It's quite simple. I think of the trio between Learn, University Press, and Academic Press, I think Learn has the best fundamentals. Two is the dividend paid last year. We can easily do a 35 kobo, 30 kobo dividend for the current financial year from an earnings or dividend yield perspective, then it does make sense to me. So those are my criteria for watching this stock. I have been watching it. I have a few stocks like that as well that I'm waiting for to fall within my comfort zone. United Capital is trading at 1.4 times or so book value. A bit pricey from that angle, but not the most expensive stock. But if we are looking at it from an earnings per share perspective, it's trading about 17 times, I think, earnings. So the question would be, if you can get this stock to 15, 14, 15, 16, that will be within my buy zone. Robust growth in the last couple of years, I don't see that slowing down. High interest environment favors this stock greatly. So can we see a further dip? One of those days, I'm hoping for a dip. Hoping for the Reds, hoping for the Bears that they maintain their choke hold. Any questions, you can drop in the comment section or send an email to info@greenticketdeals.com. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, everyone. See you in 3.5 hours from now with the NGX midday update. Stay safe.